A few weeks ago I unboxed my first Me, My Suit and Tie box, and now the second one already shipped to my house. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Benjamin and this is Sartorial Styles, and today we are going to unbox my second Me, My Suit and Tie box. So let's just start with removing this. I still like the box, I think it looks very nice, also with it's windy. Also with the URL here in the inside. So we definitely see one color that we see quite a lot here and it's pink. And what I can already tell you just from the first look at is that this tie is completely different to the first one I received. The first one was a very thick cotton tie and this seems to be silk in my opinion. This is printed silk, I would say. It looks very nice. What do they say here? Made in China, 100% silk, exactly. So it's actually a 100% silk tie. It feels quite nice while it is a little bit shiny. That's nothing I like so much. I'm a bigger fan of those, yeah, not so shiny silk ties, but this is still acceptable in my opinion. A very nice pattern with those medallions. So this is some kind of micro pattern with blue and a little bit of green tones actually also. But a very nice and definitely wearable pattern, not too bold, but something you can definitely wear also with a business suit in my opinion. I know pink is a color that many men are afraid of, but I think if someone wears pink with confidence, it's one of the best colors to wear as a man, and it's very attractive to women, I think, because if you wear pink with confidence, you can wear probably everything with confidence, and that's quite attractive. Then we have the matching socks right here. Again, a cotton blend in a one size. A very nice, very nice pattern. I love socks like that. I own around, I think, 10 or 15 pairs with such a pattern. For me, it's a riding pattern. I don't know if it's just me and being insane or whatever, but for me this is a pattern of riding socks that is typically for people, girls and boys, riding horses. But I like it. I like it quite a lot. Also the two blue tones go very well with any kind of blue suit in my opinion, especially matched with this tie and the pink areas here in the socks. That's very cool. But I think they're probably the same length than the first socks I got. They are mid-calf socks, I would say. Cool. I like those socks a lot. So let's go on with the pocket square. This is 50% linen, 50% cotton again, so like the first one I received from Me, My Suit and Tie. Okay, it's still windy. This is a classical pattern, just a white pocket square with hand-rolled edges and blue dots on top. It goes very well with those, yeah, kind of medallion print on the tie, because it's also kind of a dotted pattern, and this suits the look well in my opinion. It's definitely more on the playful side, but pink in general is a playful color, and I like that they didn't include the pink on the pocket square but only the blue tones from both the other accessories, because if this one would be pink too, it would be a pink overkill probably. And like that with the white and the blue, it's a very nice mixture between playful and modern, but not too bold, not too loud. It's still on the classic side and it's still something that one can wear. Item number 4. This is a toothbrush, probably. Yeah, that is a toothbrush. Nice, it's pink. Yeah, I don't know what I should say about a toothbrush. It's made out of plastic, but very massive plastic. It feels quite well. I don't know, maybe I don't get what this item is meant for, but for me it's a toothbrush and I use electric toothbrushes, but it's cool. Nothing I will use probably, but it's a toothbrush. But the last item is something I think is quite nice, because I actually don't own a single pair of good sunglasses. So this one looks quite cool. It definitely matches the style of the rest of the outfit. I'll just try it on. Wait a second. Okay. I don't know how this looks because I can't look into the camera, so into the display right now, but I don't know. It fits, it doesn't hurt anywhere in my face. I have to see how it looks, but in general it's plastic. It feels very cheap, to be honest. Also, those glasses are plastic glasses, of course, but I like the look. It's I don't know. I always don't know which one is the Wayfarer and which one is the Clubmaster. I never get this, but this looks like one of those kind of fake Ray-Ban glasses, in my opinion, that you can find in masses on AliExpress. Also with those typical metal elements here, but I like the design. It's very cool, it's outstanding. For many people it will be too bold, so not like the pocket square, which is kind of a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more, yeah, taking himself down, not so loud, not so crying for attention. The glasses are definitely more of an attention grabber. I'm not sure if I will wear them. I think many men will say, okay, they are a little bit too much, but they are a nice item, and if I have a nice day where I think, okay, I want to be playful, I want to be, yeah, outstanding, I want to stand out, then it's definitely a piece that I will consider to wear, even if it doesn't feel very high quality, but still okay in my opinion. I think that's it. What I miss in this box is the letter I got the last time, where they gave me some examples how to style those items. That's missing in this box. I don't know. I'm not sure if they sent such a letter only with the first box, or if they just forgot it. I'm not sure. So we know we have a very nice tie, made in China, yeah, but made out of silk, and it's very nice. It's not too wide, not too skinny too, so it definitely fits my jackets and my yeah, preferred lapel width. So definitely a nice item. I want to try this out. I'm not very used to wearing pink, but I want to try it. The socks are very, very nice. I like them a lot. The pocket square too, definitely also matchable with many other outfits. This is a very versatile piece because blue and white is a color combination you will see on maybe 50% of every business suit one will wear, because a blue suit with a check or without a check or whatever, and a white shirt is just a very classic and versatile combo, and this will go well with such a combo. The toothbrush, I won't need it. Maybe it's not a toothbrush, maybe I just get something wrong about this item, but maybe some people have a use for it, but I don't know why I should need a pink toothbrush. I don't need a matching toothbrush for my tie when I brush my teeth in the morning, but maybe some men need it, I'm not sure. And those glasses feel very cheap, but look quite interesting, and they don't hurt on my ears or on my nose from 10 seconds of wearing, I know. Definitely something that one can try out, but not a favorite item of mine. But in general, also a nice box, definitely worth the money in my opinion. We have cotton and linen here, we have a cotton blend here, we have 100% silk here, and we have a lot of plastic here. I think it's definitely something you should consider to subscribe if you like items like that. The quality is definitely okay. It's not that kind of extremely high quality fabric you will find from, for example, Suit Supply or Xenia or Oliver Wicks or whatever, but it's something where no one will stare at you because you look so cheap, because it's just a lot of polyester or something. So it's definitely more on the quality side of things, and that's something I like. So another nice box in my opinion. I'm already excited for the third box that will arrive in probably around 1 month. I'm also excited about my Undandy double monk straps that will arrive next week probably, or maybe still this week, I'm not quite sure. I'm very excited about them. I hope they will look as nice as I expect them to look. I will definitely unbox them. I don't think in a YouTube video, because it's not so exciting to see me unboxing shoes, but I will definitely do an Instagram story. So if you have not subscribed my Instagram, it's sartorialstyles.com. I will do a Undandy double monk strap unboxing in my stories, this or next week, whenever they will arrive. And also, if you're not interested in Undandy shoes, just check out my Instagram, because you will see pictures there how I styled those items. I'm probably going to style them with a blue suit, but we will see what happens. So if you're interested in that, check out my Instagram. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You will see new videos about topics like that every week, every Sunday. This video came out on Monday, I know, but it's because I was on Mallorca since Friday and I didn't have the time to do a video there. And of course the box was here in Germany, so I wasn't able to do it. Yeah, that's it. I hope you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment or to subscribe. See you and have a nice day.